purpose. It's not advised to buy and sell. Type yes if you agree. Thank you. Okay, so fantastic. Okay, good to see. Of course, must come at 10. Okay, this is our lifelong webinar, right? Okay, so let's go through the market first. Okay, again, the context of going through the market is really because we want to just know how bullish or how bearish we should be. It helps us to know how many stocks to go long and how many stocks to go short, and how many and whether we should hedge our position. Okay, so let's look at S&P 500 first. Okay, so I will make it more systematic so that in terms of interpretation of the chart is easier. Okay, I'll use the trader GPS, I'll use weekly, and I'll use daily, and so that in the future you can do it yourself, rather than learn how to read the charts. Like if I use the 2040 MA, I can also use this to show you how to read the charts. Okay, so let's go to weekly first. Okay, weekly, we are talking about the time frame is longer. Okay, weekly time frame can be months. Can be 1 year, up to 1 year. Okay, so this is the weekly chart setup. Okay, this is starting in 2011. Okay, so in a weekly trade, we do not do a lot of trades. Basically, we go in when the candle turn blue, we go out when the candle turn red, we go in and then we go out, and then we go in and then we go out. And then recently there is a blue candle. Okay, recently there's a blue candle again. We need to mark the high in order to go in. Okay, mark the high in order to go in. And right now what happened is the resistance. Okay, the resistance is around here. Okay, this is the resistance 3235. Okay, 3235. That will be our resistance. Okay, and did we clear the high? Let me see. The high previously was the previous high was at 3154.9. Okay, so slightly higher, 0.2% higher. That will be our trigger to go long for the long term. Okay, so this is not a lot of trades. This is basically very little trades. Okay, over the last like 9 years. Okay, we go in and out very few times. Okay, so it's not like we every time go in and out. Okay, so that will be the position. Okay, so right now weekly charts, we are still like sideways. Okay, we are not like bullish. We are not like very bullish right now. We if let's say the market is turning bullish, it is still very early if it's going bullish. Okay, so the key is if lah. Okay, so that will be the trend for the long term. Any question? No question, type no, then we can move on. Okay, so long term, it's still unclear. Okay, it's still unclear. Market is still sideways. Clear or not? Okay. Market is still sideways, and if you have any question, can type in the question. And then next is we want to go into the China market, right? Breakout, right? I mentioned to you all, right? Later I'll show you all one more time. Okay, on the China market breakout. Okay, so next is the Hang Seng Index. Okay, let's go Nasdaq first. Oh yeah, before I go to Nasdaq, let's finish the daily charts first. Oh, it's getting very hang. Okay, S&P index. Hopefully we can still do this. Okay, because S&P index. Okay, we go to daily charts. Okay, daily charts, we can see from here. This is the daily charts. Price is heading up. Okay, candlestick turn blue, but the trend is unclear. Okay, we do not have a very clear uptrend yet. Okay, so we can see from these charts over here that even though we have arrows over here, there is no teeth. Okay, there's no teeth over here. Tell us that the trend is still not clear. Okay, we have an arrow here, still not clear. Oh, understand? No question, okay, so the trend is still not clear, okay, right now, okay, so of course, we still follow our trade plan, okay, we have been slowing down our trades. Imagine last time in May, right, 11th of May, we have like 3 stocks, the very fixed, next week we have 2 stocks, the very next week we have 1 stock, but recently, the last 1 month or so, okay, 1 month we only have 3 stocks, okay, for the whole of month, we only have 3 stocks. Compared to May, we have like 6 stocks, still holding, So we slowed down our purchase, okay, as the price go higher, okay. So that will be the S&P 500 charts. Next is the Nasdaq. Okay, let's go to Nasdaq right now. Okay, so Nasdaq. Okay, so last week I mentioned, right, Nasdaq got to be careful already. Okay, but let me go use the system instead. Okay, because if I don't use the system, then you're confused. Okay, so long term, right? First long term, candlestick turn red turn to blue, it will be a buy signal. Okay, so like example over here, red turn to blue is our buy signal. Once you go above the previous high, it will buy. If you have bought Nasdaq right now, you're up about 16% already. Okay, that was somewhere in April. Okay, somewhere in 24th of April that week, right? We actually have the buy signal till date, right? We are up about 16%. Okay, for Nasdaq. Okay. Okay, that will be the Trader GPS signal. Okay, Trader GPS using the weekly chart signal. And how about daily charts? Okay, daily charts. This is the daily charts. This is the daily charts for Nasdaq. Okay, so we have 1 arrow with teeth over here. This is the first arrow with teeth. Second arrow with teeth, and then third arrow with teeth. Okay, then subsequently it broke the new high. It broke the 6-month high somewhere around here. Okay, here it broke the 6-month high and continue to go higher over here. So this one is arrow with teeth. This one is arrow with teeth also. Okay, so this is the this one also arrow with teeth. Okay, this one also arrow with teeth. So right now we have already 1, 2, 3, no count, 4, 5, 6 arrow with teeth already. Okay, this line over here was the break of the 6 months high. This horizontal line over here was the break of the 6-month high. I would say is using this candle. Okay, it's the 6-month high. Okay. Any question on Nasdaq? Okay, no question. If there's no question, type no, then I can move on. Okay, so yes, so this is above the resistance right now. Okay. Okay, like for example here and here also. Okay, got it. Okay, so next let's go to Hang Seng index. So again, the purpose of reading the charts is so that we know how much to hedge. Okay, usually we don't do like just short position. Okay, usually we don't do just short position. We want to use it more like some sort of hedge position. Okay, so okay, so this one is Hang Seng Index, the Nasdaq on the weekly charts. Okay, so we can see Nasdaq on the weekly charts. This is the support. Okay, turn resistance. Last week we broke above the resistance around here. We broke above the resistance. Can you see? Oh, so this was Hang Seng last week. I think also because of China also. Okay, we broke above the resistance, and if we go to daily charts, we can also see that price prior to this was not very stable. Okay, there's no teeth here. There were 1 teeth here, arrow with teeth here. then don't have, then last Friday we have another arrow with teeth. Okay, so this is like the second arrow with teeth. We have not break the new high yet. The new high is here. Okay, the 6-month high is there. Okay, any question on Hang Seng? But let's take a look at China market. Okay, China market is interesting. Last week I already highlighted this, right? Yes or no? Do y'all see the post on my China stocks A50? How many saw the A50? Y'all see the stocks A50, right? Y'all type in A50. Last week I already mentioned A50, right? I'll never see, huh? Okay, so China is actually bullish. Okay, it's up 3% already. Last week we mentioned this, right? Did I mention in the graduates group? Maybe not. Let me see. Okay, here, right? Can you see 3rd of July, which is 3 days ago, I say we are hitting the resistance. And what happened after that? Okay, what happened after that? This was the Hang Seng. And then on the 3rd, right? This was the 3rd. The resistance will be around here. Okay, daily charts on the 3rd. Okay, this is 1st, this is 3rd. Yes or no? I mentioned on the 3rd, right? Okay, so today continue breaking out already. Yes or no? Can you see that? This was the 3rd. I mentioned, right, that in the graduates group we are hitting the resistance about morning at time I mentioned. Okay, before they even were traded. Okay, so after that, what happened on the Hang Seng market on the 3rd? I put up in the morning, right? On the 3rd, it hit and break the resistance. Next day, today follow through again. Okay, so this is like a break of a resistance, and it's a multi-year break of resistance. Okay, so if we go backwards and you can see the weekly charts, this is the weekly chart setup. Okay, trade GPS don't have. Okay, don't have. Anyway, I think is, and this is the uptrend. I think, right? I think we should be still heading upwards for China market. Okay. Any question on the A50? I noticed that this one link Bitcoin, right, is quite similar. Okay. This one is quite similar. Chainlink. I don't know about this thing, okay, but this thing is also quite. Did I mention about this Chainlink? I think I did also, right? Okay. Or either in the public group or in the in the graduates group, I mentioned about this Chainlink. Chainlink, don't know why it's quite linked to the China. Okay, somehow they have some link with the about the e-commerce and blockchain in China. Okay, it's quite related. This Chainlink crypto. Okay. Anyway, I do not know the fundamental. I just trade on the charts. I entered like maybe around here or what. Okay, around the same price. Okay. So let's go to our STI. Okay, last one, STI. Okay, STI is quite sian. Okay, it's like breaking out and then still hovering. Okay, resistance is here, support is here. Nothing much to trade on. Okay, so if you want to trade the index, you can wait for pullback. Okay, wait for 20 MA, 40 MA. Oh, you know, right? The 20, 40 MA to wait for the setup to pull back. Okay. Okay, so this is for weekly charts, and daily charts also tell you that the trend is not clear. Got it? The trend is not clear. Any question on the index? Okay, so right now, if you were to do long and short, let's say 5, I will do maybe at least 3 or 4. One will maybe short. Okay, can? No, okay, no question. Type no, then I can move on. A50, I think can buy. A50 can buy index. Look for the index, trade the index. Okay. No question. Does the setup is this right? The 2040 MA setup. I think by now you all know how to set up this, right? So look at the 2040 MA. Look for the setup. Okay, so similarly like what we here before. Okay, so now the price breakout. Okay, wait for pullback. Okay, this MA may not need to, cannot use the 20 MA because this is a very strong breakout. You can use the 10 MA. Okay, plot in the 10 MA. So the 10 MA will give you a better guide, okay, of the price. So use the 10 MA for the guide. Okay, so wait for pullback into the 10 MA, then you can see whether you want to go in or not. Okay, any question? Okay, no question. Let's move on to the individual stocks. Today we have one new stock, GSX. I was thinking whether to put new stocks or not because we have a lot of stocks, right? We are holding a lot of stocks in our portfolio. This is a theoretical portfolio, guys. The theoretical portfolio got no cap in terms of capital. In reality, you must have some limit to your capital. Cannot be every stock you fire, right? Okay, in reality, it's like that. Okay, so of course you can buy lesser. Okay, you can buy lesser. So this one is arrow number 1. Okay, arrow number 1. This arrow number 2. Just check. Okay, this one arrow number 1. Okay, didn't break 6-month high, but this arrow number 2 definitely breaks 6-month high. Yes or no? Okay, arrow number 2. This is arrow number 3 already. Okay, actually we are late already. Right now we are arrow number 4. Okay, we are arrow number 4 of the arrow. Maybe you buy lesser lah. Okay, don't buy so much, right? Okay, but GSX is bullish. Okay, because we are already arrow number 4 already. We are late. Anybody got GSX? I think on the graduates group, you all did mention, right? Anybody got GSX? Do you have? Who have GSX? Type GSX. Don't have Oh, not there. Okay, never mind. Okay, have 16 June. Some of you all mentioned this before. Okay, GSX. 3rd July also mentioned, right? Vince Chua also mentioned GSX. Okay. Okay, so this will be the next one. Any question on GSX? Wait, your stock later. Your stock later. Okay, let's look at our stock first. Okay, now we go back to our individual stock. CHGG. Who have? So who have CHGG? Type CHGG. Okay, guys, it's again about psychology. Okay, every time it's about psychology. Last time we buy CHGG is 22nd here. Yes or no? Okay, we bought here, right? 22nd is here. Okay, so after that the stock come down, then you're sian, right? Then after that stock go up, then you're happy. Okay, now arrow appear. See what y'all do lah. Okay, by right, what should y'all do? What should y'all do? If the second arrow appear, what should you do? Lucky happy, right? Should buy a bit more lah. Okay, scale in the position. You all know what to scale in, right? Scale in the position. Second arrow. Okay, CSGG. Got that? Got it? Okay. The stop has also increased. Okay, so the key is to make it simple. Okay, the key is make it simple. Last time you enter your support was here. Now you enter your support is here. You enter your support is here. So if you use the trailing stop, right, is around here. Okay, it's around here. Got it? Okay, so right now this is the second arrow to scale it, CHGG. Any question? Okay, don't have, move to next one. Yeah, of course, must break new high, guys. This is basic, right? Mark the high, it must break the new high. Yeah, Ron, Eddie, must break new high, right? Okay, so next one is PAAS. Oh yeah, this is not reset, guys. This is not reset. Sorry, I forgot. This is not reset because the candle didn't turn red. Okay, so if you have bought earlier, it's not reset. Okay, next one is PASS. No reset because didn't break low. Oh, didn't break low. Okay, got it. Can I move on? So enter or sell, huh? CHGG is buy lah, right? Got sell. Susan. Hey, Susan should be inside the room, and why you go outside? Hey, graduate, go Zoom lah, okay? Okay, go to Zoom. Susan, you're a graduate, you should be in Zoom. Okay. Any question? This is not second arrow. Yes, this is not second arrow. This is first, second, third arrow already. This is the fourth arrow already. Okay, this is the fourth arrow. Okay, so buy lesser lah. Okay, can? Fourth arrow. Okay, not second arrow. Got it? Let's move on. Zoya is not to sell, buy. Okay, this is not noisy. This is okay. Okay, so I move on because wait for you already. Okay. So if you are bought earlier, then no need to buy already lah. Okay, but you will have not bought, right? Like you bought first, second, or if you, let's say you bought third arrow here, you just bought on the third arrow, you can add in a little bit more, okay? Or you can don't buy, okay? You can don't buy, just let it ride, okay? By right, you no need to buy because you bought the third arrow already. Got it? Okay. So next one is PAAS. First June is here. Okay, same thing. Go through this emotional roller coaster. Who has PAAS? Type in PAAS. Wharton, hard. Can you feel that emotional roller coaster? Have, right? Oh, so sometimes, right? Sometimes it will be like that. Okay, so sometimes it will be breakout. Okay, breakout and then the rate really drop. Sometimes it will break out and then go higher. Sometimes it will break out and then pull back. Okay, the key is when not to sell. Yes or no? Hang on, and then right now we are almost back to the same cost already. Okay, and then we have arrow again. Okay, so let's count how many arrows right now. Arrow number 1, no count. Arrow number 2 with teeth. Arrow number 3. Okay, so we have arrow number 3 already. Okay, this one don't buy already lah. Okay, 4 already, right? Okay, you all have, hang on. Okay, don't have, too bad. Next one. Next one is gonna stop out. Yes or no? Okay, I'll see. Emotion is fun. When you're trading, not fun. Okay, so guys, can y'all see this one? Stop out, right? Okay, don't be emotional, guys. Okay, don't be emotional. Okay, so candlestick turn rate. Turn rate ready. Next day break below the low. This is our exit. Okay, this is our exit. Okay. Okay, those outside one who are graduates, right? You have the Zoom link in the graduates group, right? Okay. This one exit already. Okay, guys. Okay, if you want to follow the system, is exit already. Okay, don't be sad. Okay. You're sad, then you're happy, then you're happy, then you're sad. You get it? So don't do that, okay? Just follow the system, okay? Like as example on Netflix. Do you remember on Netflix? Those older graduates, you remember Netflix? Yes or no? Who remember Netflix? We also got stop out, right? Stop out, and then after that, I think we'll stop out here, okay? And then after that, arrow come out again, okay? So the next question is, Collin, why don't hold on to the slack? Maybe it will go back up again. Okay, maybe it will go back up again. The key is, I don't know, okay? I don't know whether it will be like Netflix like that. After we get out, then later buy signal come back up again. Do you follow what I'm saying? Or later, right, the slack, really slack, then how, you know? So if we don't know, we let the system take over the emotions. We don't be emotional about it. Wow. Okay, every emo now already. Okay, can guys? The key is to make things simple. Is to make things objective. Okay, the bottom line is I don't know whether it will be another Netflix again or whether the price will drop. I don't know. Okay, but I know that if I follow it long enough, then will be good. Wow, Susan re-enter. Good, okay. Anybody re-enter Netflix? Nobody, But we also mentioned Netflix in the group, actually. Okay? Don't be angry, okay? Don't be angry, okay? So just follow the trade. Understand? Leeching never follow, but close the trade. Okay. Okay, guys, if you all don't follow the system, one day we'll really have a system rate, you all don't sell and really go down. Do you all follow what I'm saying? You may be lucky, and then, hey, Netflix, this time you didn't cut loss, and then you go up again. One day you have one time when you didn't cut loss and the thing dropped, and then you really regret it, okay? Understand? So, easier way is just to follow. Yes or no? No, easier way is just to follow. Okay, so next. Anyway, we don't have a lot of stock that got stopped out. I think Netflix and Gillette, right? The other one. Remember Gillette? Okay, it's the other one that we got out. Okay, so Lichin, remember to trade with size. I think that time you not trading enough size. Or Lichin, remember you calculate your size properly. The stock cannot work so hard that you make a lot already, still not making money. Okay, you must trade bigger size. Okay, if you trade lesser, but trade bigger size. Understand? Okay, so that will be this. Any question? No? No question, I move on. Can move on, right? Okay, so next one is Coop. Who has Coop or Slack? Who have Coop or Slack? Type Coop or Slack. Coupa. Who have Coupa or Slacker? Who have Coupa? Coupa, who have or not? Some of you have. Well, both also have. Me, Coop Power. Coop, okay. Coop was 25th of May, right? Here. Wow, from here, 25th. We enter is. So it's like that. We enter here, okay. We enter when it breaks above the high. Until now is 27%. Your Coop, if you make money already, your stack level fine crowd. Still got others, right? Okay. Next. Okay, any question? This one just hang on and just relax. Okay, nothing to do. Got it? Remember to take action, guys. Okay, so if stack out already, then get out. Okay, Coop remain, then just hang on. Understand? Coupa. HZMP, we got mentioned this before. After that, we still mentioned this, right? HZMP. Yes or no? Because there were after that there were other signals. Who have HZMP? Like HZMP. HZMP don't have. We mentioned this after the signal, right? On the 18th of May, we bought in, but after that, we still have other arrows that came up. Okay, I think was here. Oh, there was arrow that came up here. Okay, 18th of May was somewhere here. We were late. Okay, we were late, but never mind. 18th of May. To date, we are up about 17%. Okay, 17%. Okay, so there were subsequently other signals. Okay, there was one here. Okay, this one was up about 4%. Okay, so HMP, nobody have HMP don't have. Interesting. I thought a lot of people have. Type HMP we have. If not, next one. Nvidia. Oh, some people take profit, must be. Some of you have, like Ping Tat still have, Sean still have. Some of y'all, I think, take profit. HMP who have? Slack already, exit already. Okay, Catherine? Exit already. Okay. HMP. Okay, now move on. Next one is NVIDIA. NVDA, right? NVDA is, well, the day we swing, right? Who make money? At least 2 person make money. Go give me testimony. Thank you very much. Okay, if you give me a testimony, I appreciate. Okay, for giving me testimony. That one is another type of trading. Okay, for swing trade. Okay, we did a swing, right? Live, right? Got or not? The day I so bored, right? So we did that swing. Okay, so anyway, NVIDIA, hang on, nothing to do. We went in when 18th of May or so, around here. Okay. Okay, right now we are up about 12%. Okay, who has NVIDIA? Type NVDA. If you still have NVIDIA, the more you type, the more you will go up. You know? Okay. No money now. Okay. Swing, you all know, right, guys? How to swing? Yes or no? This was a swing, right? I mentioned this live in the group. I don't know how many got it. Hit target already low, right now. Oh, I mentioned this in the group. NVDA. Who swing this? Anybody? Anybody in the group swing this? Type me. Nobody. No, I got 2 testimonies, so I'm quite sure people, some of y'all bought it. Okay, this swing setup, 5 days one. Wow, really? Well, thank you, very good. I'm very glad. So many of y'all swing, fantastic. Okay, good. Anyway, swing is if you are more experienced, then you swing, okay. If not, later fall off the swing and got injured, right? Okay. Me on demo. Okay, demo also can. Okay. So we got in here when the gap open right now about 3%. It went up to 4%. Can sell already if you want. Okay, 5 days, right? 5 days. So 1, 2, 3. Hit target 30 to 50%, and then write the rest. Okay. Then you must always thinking of selling the next one. Yes or no? Hey, for the public, right? If you want to join us, right? This is the group. The link is below. CollinSeow.com/SWB. Okay, come and join us. Tomorrow we are having our SMT preview. Okay, if you want to, by the way, graduates, can you help me to do this? Can you encourage people who are not in the SMT to join us in the SMT? Type SMT if you recommend SMT to your friends. Okay, SMT if you recommend SMT to your friend. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Okay. Outside also, if you have anybody still outside one, right? If you are not inside here, that SMT, so that people will know, hey, this is not a one-time thing. This is not this is a lifelong thing. Yes or no? Okay, Thai SMT. Thank you guys. I really appreciate you all for giving me that. Cody, why are you outside also? Okay. Anyway, Thai SMT outside. If you are outside, okay, the Thai SMT outside also. Okay, are we good? Okay, next one. BYND. Oh, not bad also, right? BYND. Got scared or not? Who got scared? BYND. Who got scared? But never exit, not yet, right? Okay. Not yet, not yet exit. Okay. Can y'all see this? Hanging by a thread. Okay, hanging by a thread. Okay, so we have the sell signal. Okay, We got in VYND 11 of May here. Yeah, this one 11 of May was here. This one we are hopefully don't exit. Okay. Let's see how it goes. The good news and bad news. Good news is we are very close to the zero line. If the price managed to today go a bit higher, we will be saved. It means the candlestick will turn back blue with no exit. Okay, no exit. Okay. If it today start to drop back down, then we mark the low. Guys, you all know, right? Mark the low, that will be an exit. So we make about 4%, which is quite sian, right? Went in when 11 of May. Okay, here. How can you go in so late? We should go in here actually. Anyway, okay. BYND, who have BYND, type BYND? BYND won't have a lot of loss, I don't think so. Okay, you have BYND, what you do is tonight mark the low. The low is 140.30. Okay, 140.30. If it drop below 140.00, you're out. Okay, you're out. Okay, you make maybe lost commission or a little bit. Okay, but if it managed to just a little bit higher, it can close even at current price or slightly higher, it will still be blue. Can? Is it very objective? Yes or no? It's very objective, right? Tonight, 14, slightly below here, 140.30. If it drop below, means out. Please follow, okay? Then if you're not, then hang on to the trade, okay? Any question? No, usually, right? Some people try to hack, right? Hack then say, oh, change to weekly. Change to weekly. Or weekly is still bullish. Hang on. Can you do that? Can you do that? Can you change to weekly and still hang on? You all decide lah. I never teach like that one, okay? Guys, I always teach very systematic one, okay? Understand? What's the price right now? BYND pre-market. A pre-market actually cannot believe one. Pre-market is not useful. Okay. 141.3 is it? 141.8. Let me see. Okay, if 141.8, you should be out of the woods, right? Yes. If it doesn't touch 140.3 or below, that means let's say give it 140. Okay, 140, then hang on. Got it? Okay, let's see how. Fingers crossed. Okay. Ipo, why are you outside also? I thought you just became our graduate. Okay. So next one. Hi, Chris. Chris, you're outside. Okay. So next one. Keep the change. Okay lah. Next one. ETSY. Who? No. ETSY. Who have ETSY? Well, this is also hot, right? Who have ETSY? Type ETSY. ETSY. Who have ETSY? If some of you don't have ETSY, I guess it's because you all take profit too early. Yes or no? If you just hang on to the ETSY since 11th of May until today, you're up 42%. Who have? Okay, good. Some of you all still have. Outside have or not? Well, outside quite a lot have. Cecilia, Ellen, Facebook user have. Okay, inside here also. Well, still a lot of you have. Good. I'm very proud of you all. You know why or not? Because you all didn't take profit too early. Yes or no? Normally, if you don't come for SMT, will you have taken profit like when you make 20%, will you have taken profit? Or 10%, maybe some people, wow, so happy you take profit already. Yes or no? No? But right now, because you have this, right, you continue to hold on. That's why I got 42% right now. Yes or no? Hello? So it's important to have a system. If not, then you every day Oh, some people sold yesterday, last Friday. Okay. Okay. ETSY, some people don't have new graduate. Sorry lah, because new graduate ma. Next time we'll have lah. Okay. Next one. Next one is your screen not showing up the latest message to okay. Wow, so many. No, I need to put it here lah. Okay, put it here. Okay. Okay, can? Oh, no wonder that's why I said type, you all never type. Okay, understand. Okay, so any question? By right, this gene okay, right? Shouldn't sell lah. Hang on lah, right? Those people who are lost run, right? You're all maybe past SMT graduate and things like go to the Facebook group. Okay, if you are not in the Facebook group, contact me, and then I'll bring you into the Facebook group. Okay. Shorten this group. Some people want to shorten, some people want to lengthen. Okay, hang on. Okay. Can? Let's put it up here. Okay, good. Cannot. Okay, next one. ETSY cannot buy already, right? How many arrows already? How many arrows already? We have 1 arrow, 2. Got more than that, more than enough arrows. Let me see. Do you like the new system? This new system is arrow much earlier, right? 1, 2, 3. Yes or no? 3 arrows already. 3 arrows already. Okay, Facebook user, we don't have the swing set up, right? I can post you the link. There's a free e-course that you can attend. You can go to this and attend the free e-course. It's really free, okay? Go to this and you can see the setup, how it works. Okay, can ETSY, okay, good, finish. Next one, PDD. Who have PDD? I know, I'm quite sure quite a few of you have PDD. And if you're set, then too bad lah. Okay, who still have PDD? Type PTD. Okay, type PDD if you say PDD. Okay, good. Wow, a lot. I think still have a lot. Okay, good, fantastic. Okay, so arrow come out again. Hooray! PTD since 11th of May. Since here, 11th of May, right? Until here, 67% ready, guys. Voila! Hey, you imagine, right? If you didn't sell, outside also, if you have PTD, type PTD, right? If you didn't sell, you can make 67%. If you sold, right, like somewhere here, right? It drop here 14-15%. You panic and you sell, you won't have made this money, yes or no? 15% drop here, or here 9% drop. Got 15%, 14%, 9% drop. You'll be shaken up, yes or no? You'll be shaken out, right? But because you manage to have a system to control your emotions, you're not shaken up, yes or no? You hang on. The big boys shake you up, you hang on to they cannot shake you out, yes or no? Okay, so that's why you can make this percentage, yes or no? If not, they will shake you out, yes or no? Okay, now cannot arrow already, cannot enter already, guys. Okay, last time is here first arrow, second arrow, third arrow, finish already, right? Okay. PTD you did swing, fantastic. Okay, so you did the 10 MA run, must be, okay? You did the 10 MA, right? Okay. Next is, okay, let me move on. mRNA, I want to get out already. mRNA, I want to get out. Yoshi Pua, right? You want to contact them and then they will tell you how to get the software back. They will have the list so you just contact them and then you have a renew license, contact them and then they'll renew for you. Okay, so mRNA I want to get out already, guys. Okay, I want to get out mRNA. Haven't signal. You see, this one cannot turn red. Okay, red, cannot turn blue. Didn't get out. But I want to get out. Okay, let's see how it goes. Okay, this week, next week, I want to get out mRNA. Okay, this one since 6th of April. mRNA, I think less people have because the time we just started this not too long ago. Who have mRNA? mRNA? Who have? Where? Oh, you have? Okay, good. Okay, so, but I want to get out already, this one, okay? So next one is, okay, Zach also, right? If you want to renew your license, just, yeah, can PM me, okay? I can get them call you also can, okay? Yoshi and Zach, remember to PM me, okay? Parabolic trend, right, guys? Can you see this one? This is when people start to read news and get in, okay? So don't get in already. Okay, so next one is REGN. The earlier one, I think you're not so many of you have REGN because the time we just started this, right? REGN. Who have REGN? Type REGN. Wow, 140% gain. Steady. Dylan. Well done, man. Okay. REGN, who have REGN? Type REGN. Okay, good. Hang on. Okay, and some of these stocks are must watch already. Okay, REGN, mRNA, all this must watch. Okay, REGN not so. Okay, but mRNA I think is a little bit of public news already. People know about this. So try to get out. Okay, you want to get in Zoom before Zoom get famous. Understand not? You don't want to get in the stock when everybody talk about the stock. ZM, who have still holding ZM? Well, if you're holding ZM, 厉害. Okay, who have ZM? Like this who just now? Hey, by the way, just now that who, Dylan, can you give me testimony, please? If you have, you're getting result, please give me testimony. Hey, guys, I appreciate you. You will give me testimony, okay? So next one is, you have Andrew, okay? So Zoom, very good. Basically, just nothing to do. Just hang on. It's strong actually. It's still strong. Since our 17th February one, until now is got top up also. Wow, 厉害. 182%. Well, every week up few percent on. Last week's 177%, then this week up 82%. Still hang on, okay? Still buy. Still hang on, not still buy, okay? Okay, so any questions so far? And then outside also have, right? Okay. I have a question. When you filter stock daily, weekly based on monthly rank, do you absolute credit? Don't have absolute value. Just do the ranking. Okay, I last two is swing. Last two is swing. I will quickly go through the swing and then we will go through. Swing again is a hedge position. Okay, guys, it's a hedge trade. It's a hedge trading. Don't go and naked short. Okay, this is hedge position. Got it? Okay, you are, if you shorted slightly in the money slightly because you shorted here, or went down nothing much. Okay, hang on. Okay, so next last one is CVX weekly swing. All these are weekly swing. Also slightly in the money, I think. Okay, this can just be a hedge. Do you follow what I'm saying? No need to be very aggressive. Okay, so if not, then your stocks. Okay, let's choose some of your stocks. HOLXTDOL. So many. I forgot the name already. GDS. Hang on. Why? Okay, GDX first. Okay, GDX. A lot of you go GDX, is it? What is GDX? Oh, this one. Is it good? Why you say a lot? Oh, GDS. Okay, sorry. GDS. That's why I say, how come GDX good, man? GDS. These are not bad. Okay, not bad. Trade GPS. When you're going last week, This one a little bit parabolic, guys. Okay, so you notice here. Oh, if you zoom out, you can see lah. Okay, if you zoom out, you can see. 6 months, around 6 months, you can see. Can you see it's a bit parabolic? Can you see now? Oh, this GDS is a bit parabolic. Okay. So if you remove everything, you can see clearer. It's like maybe like this, then like this. Yes or no? Can see parabolic? Okay. Don't buy already lah. Oh, people buy, you don't buy. People don't buy, you buy. Understand? Okay. Next one. That's not that one. The two I forgot. The TDOC, is it? TDOC. TDOC. This one I think not bad. Yes or no? What do you think? Huh? We set already, right? Arrow 1, arrow 2. Yes or no? Not bad. Wait for break. Wait for break above the high. Okay, the high is 210.86. Above that. Okay, above 210.86. That will be the entry. Guys, can you type in your context also? I think it's helpful that you all type in context. Like example, position daily or position weekly, you have entered already or you want to enter. Then it will be even better for me. Like example, I think Teladoc, some of you are entered already previously. Yes or no? So it will be good that I know that you are entered already or you're thinking to enter also. Okay? So then can have some context. Okay? Susan, if you get up, right? If you get up, look for the risk reward. Okay? See whether got enough risk reward or not. Wow, 48 message, how I finish. QD. I just slowly do QDEL. This one, I think you also entered already. Yes or no, Joyce? Oh, same. This one a bit parabolic already. Yes or no? I saw this stock 2 weeks ago or 1 week ago. I didn't choose this because I felt that it's a bit parabolic already. Oh, can see, right? BZUN. Always can find this stock, Beijun, this Beijun stock, right? Okay, this one, let's take 6 month high. Just break 6 month high. This stock quite noisy. Can you all see? It's quite noisy. Yes or no? What do you mean by noisy? This stock, like example here, right? Got something like that, got something like that, something like that. Oh, it's not noisy. So you must learn to spot lah. If the stock is very noisy, then don't trade that stock. Okay? Can? I think there are better stock. Lulu daily position entered already. Sorry guys, I don't think I can finish all the stocks. Oh, I don't think I can do that. Okay, so hang on. Okay, hang on. Lulu, just hang on. eBay daily position. Unless you want to stay until at night. So many stocks. How to finish? eBay already signal, right? Arrow number 1. Hey, please follow the system, guys. Arrow number 1, arrow number 2, arrow number 3. Yes or no? This is arrow number 3. eBay. Yes or no? 3 third valid arrow. So first one is here with the thief. This one no count. Second arrow with thief. This one no count. No count. Third arrow with thief. Okay, this is the derivative. If you're, this is 50, 30, 20. If you're aggressive, then do like 20, 20, 20, 20, 20 also can, up to you. Okay, but basically the idea is to scale in. Okay, the idea is to scale in. ROKU. I saw this stock also. I saw this also. ROKU. Daily position. You see, also noisy, right? Yes or no? You got this thing like here one. Oh, I will avoid. Okay, and then on top of that, I think this stock got a lot of gaps also. Can you all see? Got a lot of gaps, right? Like here is a gap 13%. Here is a gap 13%. There is a gap 10%. Here is a gap 8%. So this stocks got a lot of gap. So usually I will avoid trading this kind of stock. Got it? AYX. AYX also saw this stock. AYX. I think AYX, did we cover this in class? Did we cover AYX in class? Is it the last batch one? I think so. Is it? I forgot already. AYX, no, huh? Oh, never mind. Or discuss in Facebook. Okay. Yeah. Just hang on, nothing to do. Nothing need to do. Okay. Just hang on. Some of y'all, like, you are choosing very good stocks. You see all your stocks are all very good one. Generally. Okay. You see y'all are choosing all the uptrend stock. Yes or no? All the uptrending stocks. Okay. Just need to check sometimes is whether it go parabolic or not. This one is okay. I think it's okay. This one still can trade. But I must look for the arrow. Okay. The arrow, first arrow was here. So the entry was here. Yes or no? Because it break the prior day high on this candle. Okay. Got it? This one's still okay. I think still can enter. SQ. I think you enter already, SQ. Cannot be now then enter because 1 already, 2 already, 3. Yes or no? Who asked SQ? Jonathan. You enter already, right? You're bought already, right? Cannot be so late. You still haven't buy, right? Okay. Oh, added added. Good lah. SGEN. Hang on, nothing, right? This is arrow number 1. Let's hang on, nothing. Hang on is difficult or not? Difficult or not? I think it's also difficult, right? If you, not difficult, some of y'all hang on, y'all every day must see action one. Don't have, don't have every day got action one, okay? ZTO just hang on, nothing need to do, okay? If, I think ZOT, right, is also a very, got a lot of noise, right? If you are holding already, just hang on. Don't delete the app. Delete the app, cannot trade already. Okay. What else? Well, you're doing swing already. Don't do swing. If you are not profitable yet, don't do swing, okay, guys? Okay. Because swing, you need to know how to do position trading. I need to do stop loss and things like that. Oh. Hang on also, Wix. You're bought already, right? Oh, this far-fetched, this just like his stock, right? Okay. Yeah, this one also going up. Also hang on, right? The easiest thing is to hang on. Wix bought already. So no more than 5 different position. Okay, remember, no more than 5 different positions. I see in the Facebook group still able to enter like what, 10, 15 position. 5, okay? 5 positions, okay? So that would be the thing. Okay, so NVO entered already, thank you. You all do the ranking, right? Assume, right? Assume you all do the ranking. Yes or no? Daily swing, wow, you're also adventurous. This swing is not very nice. Oh, don't do swing. This swing is not very nice. Okay, you see the MA here is like close together. Oh, so not very nice. You must like further apart. Okay, not very strong. Understand? Okay, 3 more, then we call it a day. Okay, let's go outside one. Outside got any stocks or not? JD, okay, Kartik, you're also outside. JD is good. Hang on also, JD. Kartik, how come you're outside also? Okay. Next is, hey, must follow the system guys. Okay, follow the system. If you never sell signal, don't go and anyhow sell. Okay. I go outside one because most of the stocks are inside. DDOG, just hang on, nothing to do. Make money is hanging on. Understand or not? Pintoto, I went through it, right, Ipo? What else? INCY. Actually, from the stock selection, I know whether you're an SMT graduate or not. Or at least experienced SMT graduate or not. This one, arrow number 1. This is nothing. This is hang on. Okay, INCY, hang on. By 2. Or maybe you all never come into the group, so you all don't know what are the stocks we're talking about. Yes or no? If you are in our group, you roughly know what are the stocks we're talking about, right? By 2 is not one of the stocks we talk about. Yes or no? This is not a strong stock. Okay, by 2 is not a strong stock. Wow, so many. By 2 is not a strong stock, guys. Delta also not a strong stock. Okay, must buy strong because strong remains strong. Understand? Okay, buy strong stocks. Okay, strong stock remains strong stock. If you buy all these, like what's the stock just now? Those airline, right? Where's the one just now? The Delta airline, right? All these stocks, not strong stocks, will be tough. Understand? Buy strong stocks. All these are not strong stocks. Yes or no? Can you all see these stocks are not strong? But yes, if you all can see. Can see, right? Okay. So buy strong stocks, okay? Buy strong stocks. So stock will go up one. Oh, you buy this kind of stock cheap, but don't go up. What's the point, right? Okay. How to see strong stock? You rank this stock you will never be ranked high, right? Yes or no, Lucy? And then plus the mode is bearish, right? Okay. Okay, so let's call it a day, guys. Okay, I think important is number 1, know exactly what to buy. Okay, like exactly what are the stocks we want to look at. We have a way to scan, like what are strong stock. Even no matter what country, let's say even if I go to Malaysia, where's Malaysia? Now recently got some Malaysia graduates. Okay, where's my Malaysia? Here. Let's say even Malaysia, there are strong stock. Yes, so buy the strong one. Understand or not? Some of them have ran up already, so too bad. But those stocks that are strong remain strong. Those stocks that are weak remain weak. So you must understand the concept like that. Okay, these are examples of strong stocks. Okay, these are examples of strong stocks. These are all parabolic already, some of them. Yes or not? Okay, some of them parabolic. But this is an example of strong stocks. Okay, so don't buy stocks that are not strong. Example is like Boeing. Okay, Boeing are stocks that are not strong. Can you see? All these stocks are not strong. You may say, oh, buy cheap, cheap. No point. Understand? Because you may end up hanging on for a long time. Okay, so that is the key. The second one is have a method. Okay, have a method to get in and out. You cannot just no, don't have method. So you must have a method to go in and out of the stock. That means you must have a system. You cannot just anyhow trade. You must follow a system. So that why? So that you can write the big trend. So at the end of the day, you can write the big trends. From here, you can write until here, 113%, you still hang on. Zoom, our Zoom, 188%, you can still hang on. That's the second method. And third one is what? To buy more when you're correct and sell fast around. So add position. How many of you add position already? Okay, bye Raymond. Okay, third one is to add position. Okay, so add position when you're correct. Okay, that's the third one. Okay, so tomorrow I'll be having a class. Okay, for those that are in the public, come and join us. Okay, go and sign up CollinSeow.com/SWB. For graduates, right? If you remember to refer your friends or bring your friends in, don't lose the money in the market. Okay, there is an easier way to trade. Yes or no? Don't lose your money in the market wasted, right? Okay, or don't get whipsaw up from trades. Okay, that's the key. Okay, guys, I think we have 1 hour 10 minutes already. Okay, so thank you very much. See you all next week. Okay. Option one, we haven't tied down everything yet. The option cost, we have not tied down. Oh yeah, before you all leave, for graduates, right? Remember to, later I'll post in the group. There is, on the 17th, 18th, there is a free event when Michael Cover will be speaking. You know Michael Cover or not? How many know Michael Cover? Michael Cover will be speaking. Roger Montgomery will be speaking. A lot of people are speaking. So it's a free event, okay? Come and attend this event. We make effort, right, to do this event. It's a free 2-day event. Please go and join us. Okay, join us. It's a free event. Do I have the link? The problem is now I cannot find the link. Later I'll put the link in the group. Okay, go and share with people about this event. It's a 2-day event. Just listen to what they say. I'm sure that it will be very, very important. Okay, so if not, then thank you very much, guys. Thanks, and see you next week. Bye.